Did you hear that? This was a bad idea. Lonnie, we should go back.
We can't. Not until we see the place with our own eyes. Just stop looking around and walk.
I have a bad feeling about this.
AI video is getting better and better every single day. Just last week, we got One 2.5 and Clean 2.5, and some of the results look so real. You wouldn't even believe they were AI. Now with Sora 2 right around the corner, it feels inevitable to think that AI movies are going to become a reality sooner or later. Will they be the future of film? I'm not sure. But what I do know is that this technology is about to open the gates of creativity for countless talented people, giving them the chance to create and share their own stories with the world. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you the basics you need to know to make your very own AI short film. Before we start with the first step, we need a story to tell. In my case, I'll create a simple scene with two people talking to each other. Once we know the story and what we want to create, we can begin. First step will be to generate images that will later transform into videos and dialogue. There are several ways to do this. You can use Midjourney, which is great for creating stunning AI images and videos, and it even includes omnireference. This feature helps a lot with keeping your characters consistent across different scenes. But you have to pay for this. Now, there's also Whisk by Google, which lets you create images for free, and like Midjourney, includes an option for character consistency. Of course, there are tons of other alternatives out there. In this video, we're going to use Midjourney. We'll start with the prompt and everything we need for the image. I sometimes ask for help to ChatGPT because my English is sometimes quite bad, and he helps me a lot. I copied and pasted the prompt that ChatGPT gave me, but the first 4 images weren't that good. So I tried again, and I realized that they didn't focus enough on the girl's face. So I asked for help again to my best friend, and this time the outcome was really good. Now, let's move on and create the rest of the images. First, I generated just the face of the guy because I want full control over how he looks. Once I have the face, I use omnireference. Here are the 4 images I got, and this one looks good enough, so I'll go with this. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to erase the person from the prompt, and I'll change a few things because I want to generate an establishing shot of where the scene takes place. These are the results, and I really like this one. To make some changes, I used Nano Banana. I took both images and made them look like they were looking to the forest. Now it's time to transform our images into videos. For the establishing shot, I'm going to use LM Arena. It's a Discord server that lets you generate 5 free videos per day, giving you 2 options to pick from. Here are the options, and I'll choose this one. For the dialogue, I'm going to use BO3 Fast. BO3 gives you 100 free credits each month, and if you use different emails, you can get more credits. That's a little hack you can use. For the first video, I prompted the guy to look to the left and say, "Do you hear that?" And the result
Did you hear that?
came out really good. Then I did the same with the girl. She also hears it, but she wants to keep walking. Basically, you repeat this process for each image. Here I took the image and I made it a close-up, and also took the image of the guy and changed the angle. With all the videos ready, we move to the third step, editing. You can use any software you want, but I'll use CapCut. Now here we just cut, trim, and arrange the clips until the flow feels right. You'll need to adapt to the outputs you get from the AI video generators. Sometimes they won't give you exactly what you had in mind, so flexibility is key. I used creepy background sounds, monster noises, and footsteps to build the atmosphere. And that's all. You now know the basics to make an AI short film. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.